we are solving the median. Last time we have seen how to solve the mean, how to find out the mean. We have seen all three methods. Now we are going to see the practice set 6.2, in which we are going to find out the median of the number of hours they work. First sum is number of hours they work. So first step in finding median is also, first we have to write the horizontal table in a vertical manner. That is the first thing. While finding the mean, I have told you that the second table should be the class mark xi, that is compulsory. Like that, here in finding median, we have to remember that after writing the first table, which is the classes given in the sum, after that the important thing is you have to see whether the classes are continuous or not. Continuous, that means you know that upper limit of the first class should be the lower limit of the second class, then this class is said to be continuous. So if they are continuous, no problem. If they are not continuous, you have to add one column, and after writing the discontinuous classes, you have to make the classes continuous and then write the frequency. And then the next step is important, that is you have to make a table CF less than type, cumulative frequency less than type. That means you have to first repeat the first number as it is of the frequency, and then you have to go on adding the number next. So I will show how to do the first sum. So daily number of hours 8 to 10, daily number of hours. Now as here 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 15, 14 to 16, all classes are continuous, because 10, which is the upper limit of the first class, is the lower limit of the next class. So no problem of any making the classes continuous. But if the classes are not continuous, you have to make them continuous. So only 3 columns are necessary for finding median. Then number of workers, that is the frequency here. So 150, 500, 300, and lastly 50. Then you have to prepare a table column CF less than type. That is, write 150 as it is, go on adding the next 150 plus 500, so that will be 650, 650 plus 300, 950, and 950 plus 50, that will become 1000, and you label this 1000 as capital N. Followed? Then after writing this capital N, you find out n by 2, 500. Followed? After writing this, you have to use the formula for this. So formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Followed? So what is L? L is the lower class limit of the median class. So first we have to decide which is a median class, and we have to underline that class. So here n by 2 is 500. That means it will not come in. Now you see CF less than type table. In this 150 is there, so 500 is much more. Now here 650, in that class it will be accommodated. So this will be your median class. So this is your median class. Now here for this median class, this will be CF, and this will be F, and this will be L. Followed? So I will put up the value. L is 10 plus n by 2 I have got 500 minus CF I have got 150 divided by F I have got 500, and H means that is the difference between 8 minus 10 minus 8, that will be 2. Followed? So 10 plus, I will write once again, so we will not mix in that. L I have got 10 plus n by 2 I have got 500 minus CF is 150 upon F is 500 and into H means it is 2. Followed? So 10 plus, don't cancel this cancellation is not allowed. Here it is minus sign is there, so don't do that mistake. 350 divided by 500 into 2, so cancel this. 5 tens are, 5 sevens are, so 10 plus 72 upon 10, so 10 plus 7.2, so that will be 17.2 hours. That is the median. Followed? So that is how you are going to find out the median. You have to mark the median class. After that marking median class, label L. Then this will be the F frequency, this will be CF, and you have to remember the formula perfectly. And H will be the difference between the upper limit minus lower limit, and do the perfect calculation. So you will get the answer correct. Followed? Sum number 2 you do as a homework. Sum number 3 I will show, so that it will be more clear to you how to make the classes continuous. So third sum, average speed of vehicle. Average speed of vehicles, it is in kilometers per hour. So there is a mistake in your book sum, so make it like this: 60 to 64, then 65 to 69, then 69, then 70 to 74, then 75 to 79, 80 to 84. So these classes are given somewhat wrong in your book, so make them correct first. 85 to 89. Got? So now here the classes are not continuous, so you have to make the classes continuous first. So how to make the classes continuous? You have to find the difference between the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the next class. So upper limit of first class is 64, lower limit is second class is 65. 65 minus 64 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So you have to subtract. You have to add, subtract 0.5 from 60 and add 64 plus 0.5. So the classes will be 59.5 to 64.5. Then 64.5 to 69.5, 69.5 to 74.5, 74.5 to 79.5, 79.5 to 84.5, and 84.5 to 89.5. Followed? Then after making the classes continuous, you have to find out, write down the frequency. So frequencies they have given 10, then 34, 55, 85, 10, 10, 34, 55, 85, 10 and 6. So next column is CF less than type. So 10 as it is, 10 plus 34 will be 44. This will be 99. 99 plus 85, 184. 184 plus 10, 180, 194. This is 10. And 194 plus 6, that will be 200. So that will be n. So your n by 2 will be 100. Now this 100 will come in which median class? 184, because here it is up to 99. So 100 will not come in this, but it will come in this class. So this will be your median class. Followed? In this median class, now this will be the lower limit, this will be F, This will be the CF, and H will be 5. So I will write the formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So L I have got 74.5 plus N by 2 I have 100 minus CF I have 99, F I have 85, and H how much it is? 5. Difference between them. So 74.5 1 upon 85 into 5. So 17 8 5s are 85. So it will be 74.5 plus 1 upon 17. So if I calculate 1 upon 17, I will show how to calculate 1 divided by 17 also. Here decimal point take 0, again not divisible by 17. So I will take here 0, here 0. 17 5s are 85. Then 17 8s are 136. Then again 17 136. Then 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34. So like that it is 0.5882. What? So 74.5 plus 0.5882. So I can make this 8 as a 9, or you may write it as it is. 75 point, here it is 0.58, sorry, 0.05882 is there. So 74.5588, not necessary to write 2. So approximately the speed in kilometer we are going to make it 75. Followed? So it will be 75 kilometers per hour. As it is fraction, we have 74.5 plus 0.05882. So if I add, I will have 74.55882. So I can make it approximately 75 kilometers per hour. So whenever the classes are not given continuously, you have to make it continuous. So you will have 4 columns in that. Remember this. So this is important. Then I will make the third sum also. Only second sum I have given for homework. Then I will take the homework from problem set also. That also you make. So I will solve the fourth sum. The production of electric bulbs. So number of bulbs they have given. In thousands they have given. So 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. Followed? Now here classes are given continuous. So directly I can write the frequency. So frequency, that is number of factories. So 30 to 40, 12, then 35, 20, 15, 8, 7 and 8. Then directly you can make CF less than type. So write 12 as it is. 12 plus 35, 47, 47 plus 20, 67, 67 plus 15, 82, 82 plus 8, 100, sorry 90, 90 plus 7, 97, 97 plus 8, 105. So that is your n. So n by 2 will be 105 by 2 52.5. So that is your n by 2. Now 52.5 means which will be the median class? This 50 to 60 will be the median class, because it will not come in 47 CF less than type. So this is your median class. Followed how to obtain the median class. So this is your CF, this is your F, and this is your L. So then I will write the formula: median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So median is equal to L is 50 plus n by 2 is 52.5 minus CF. CF I have 47 upon F I have 20 and H is 10. Followed? So that is equal to 50 plus this I will cancel. 52.5 minus 47. So it will be 5.5 upon 2. So that is 50 plus 55 upon 20. So 5 11s are 5 4s are. So calculation you can do by any method, not necessary to follow my method, but that should be correct. So 52.5 minus 47, 5.5 divided by 2, so it will become 55 upon 20, 5 4s are, 5 11s are, so 50 plus 11 upon 11 by 4, division, 4 2s are 8, decimal point, 2.75, so 50 plus 2.75, so that will be 52.75. Now here you have to multiply by 1000 as it is in 1000. So that will be 52750. Followed? So that is the answer for the third sum. Now you do this as a homework. Only one sum I have given for homework from exercise. Now you do one thing, that is see the solved example. In solved example also they have made the classes continuous. I will read that sum. Page number 143 open. Here they have given the classes 200 to 209. Page number 143 I am talking about. 210 to 219, 220 to 229. So here the classes are not continuous. So here we have to take the difference between 210 and 209. Upper limit of the first class minus lower limit of the upper limit of the second class and lower limit of the first class upper limit and lower limit second class. That subtraction you have to make. 210 minus 209 will be 1 divided by 2 will be 0.5. So they have subtracted 0.5 from 200, so 199.5, and they have added 0.5 to 209, so 209.5. So 209.5 to 219.5, like that we have to make the classes continuous and then solve. So you solve this yourself. Then example 2 on page number 144, they have given the classes in different way, that is less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40. So such a type of sum is always asked in exam. Here the difference between the two classes, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, that is of 10. That means less than 10 means the first class will be 0 to 10, second will be 10 to 20, third will be 20 to 30. So you have to make the yourself the classes and then solve the sum, otherwise the method is same. Now from problem set, page number 165, you have to solve sum number second, the mean first by direct method, second mean by you solve by assume mean method, third mean by step deviation method, fifth sum also solved by assume mean method, and sixth and seventh sum are for finding the median So you complete up to 7 all the sums from problem set, which already we have done all the methods. So you do the means by one method each, followed, and then complete the median sum. Tomorrow we will see how to find out the mode. So you complete the homework.